My name is Alexa Lopez. I am the podcast host of the Dance Research Podcast. And here on YouTube, I help young dancers like you navigate and spark their dance careers. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button in order for you to learn how to build your dance career. So, you are wondering what it's like to be a dance major, or maybe you are already a dance major and wonder how your life now is going to compare to the life post-grad. So because I already have graduated, I have realized some things that colleges don't really teach you in order to prepare you for the life after college. So today we're going to go over all the things of what college and dance does teach you, but also what they don't teach you. So the number one thing that college dance departments do teach you is the artistic elements. Although every college dance program is different, they focus on different styles and dance genres. Undergraduate programs, for the most part, focus on similar curricular structures. For example, one of the main things that they focus on is things like performing, choreography, and technique. So they really emphasize the artistic side of dance, which is great. Because as a dancer, if you don't know exactly what you want to do after you graduate, now you get all this time in college to discover what dance genres are your favorite, which ones are your forte. You really grill on your technique. That's something that I found myself that improved a lot, is my technique went through the roof. And because they also focus a lot on choreography, then you're really expanding and fleshing out those creative juices that are going to be really helpful coming up with ideas for dance choreographies, dance concerts, and all of that good stuff. So overall, college is mainly going to teach you how to further develop your artistic self. Now, another thing that I have found that many colleges focus on as well is dance history. So dance history is one of my favorite topics to talk about. And if you love dance history as much as I do, please check out my podcast. I will link it down below. I talk a lot about dance history in ballet, in modern dance. I have a belly dance one and coming hip-hop episode 2. So if you're interested in that, please give me a listen. But anyways, I learned all of my dance history through college. I didn't really know a lot about dance history pre-college, basically. No one ever taught me. So most colleges will offer some sort of dance history series within their curriculum, because every dancer should really know where they dance comes from, what they're actually dancing to, and to really understand the context of where dance is right now in today's society. So that's really gonna come in handy with every situation, especially now since we are really diving into what appropriation is versus what appreciation means. Knowing your history behind every dance form is going to be a critical part on doing a dance in an appreciative way versus an appropriative way. And the third thing that dance colleges teach you are a set of skills. And like I said before, every single dance department is going to be really different. So their values are really going to depend, and what they teach you is also going to depend on each department. But every dance department is going to teach you a set of skills that you will need in your future careers. And some of these skills may include things like adaptability, collaboration, responsibility, and among others. These are skills that you may not only need in a dance career field, But you can also apply those skills into a totally different dance career or dance job. For example, I have a good friend from San Diego State, and she applied at this company where they sell website hosting stuff, and she used her dance skills that she learned during college to leverage the interview. And out of all the people that were there, she was the only dancer, and she was the one that got hired. So although she's not really in a dance career field at the moment, being a dance major really helped her get that job. So it is a guarantee whether you end up doing dance or not after graduation, which I really hope you do. Dancers will succeed in any field after graduation. So now let's get a quick recap of what colleges teach you. So they teach you the artistic elements, they teach you the history, and they teach you the skills. So now let's go over what they don't actually teach you. First thing that they don't actually teach you is to choose your own dance career path. And like I said in last week's video, you have to realize that there are a whole bunch of things that you can do within the dance umbrella. So whether you want to teach, whether you want to choreograph or be a performer, you have to choose a path for you in order for you to be clear and set goals that is going to eventually get you a job. So this is something that really recent graduates struggle with a lot, is choosing which career path to take. And the problem is that college programs are designed to funnel all of the students into one roadmap to go in and out of college. So everyone follows the same structure, the same things. And this is regardless of what their end goal is going to be. So by the time they graduate, they have no clue on what specific career or expertise they want to take. And this creates a huge pain point to freshly graduated students. So the second thing that dance colleges don't teach you is all of your business documents. As colleges focus more on the artistic side of dance, they fail eventually to teach to create the business side that complements a dance artist. At best, some professors may unofficially teach students about life after college and how to prepare for it, but some colleges do not offer a comprehensive course that prepares them for their future. And some things that dance artists absolutely need to learn how to do is write dance resumes, cover letters, grant proposals, and how to build their portfolios. And the third thing that dance colleges don't teach students how to do is how to make money from dancing. Despite learning practical and artistic skills in college, making money is not something that they actually teach you how to do. And this is a huge problem for recent graduates because all of a sudden they don't have that support of the dance faculty, and they're scrambling to kind of figure out and learn all of a sudden on how to make a living when they've never done anything like that before. So some things that we should learn how to do as dance artists is learn where and how to look for jobs, to look for grants, and how to make our own income as independent artists. Now, don't get discouraged. I know this sounds really scary. Being a dance major in college is going to make you such a strong dancer. There is no doubt about that. And knowing the artistry behind being a dancer is super critical, which is why dance colleges focus on the artistry. But they do still need to start focusing on preparing the students for the life after college. Thankfully, I am working on developing a program where I help young dancers like you spark their artistic careers. And I teach you everything that college does not teach you. If you need clarity on your dance career path, if you need to learn how to write your dance business documents, and you need to learn how to make money as a dance artist, then send me a DM on my Instagram. It's at the Dance Research Podcast. Send me a DM with the word SPARK to waitlist for the Spark Your Artistic Career Academy. If you have any questions about college, about dance careers, please leave a comment down below and I will answer it for you. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check out my other videos and also to listen to the podcast if you're interested in that. Next week, we're going to be talking about college dance audition tips. So if you're looking into transferring to a four-year university, you may want to stay tuned for that. See ya!